Alright, Masters of Robotics. Tonight we're going to draw... Robette from PJ Masks. Of course, Romeo would create a secondary robot in case... Well, let's just say he wanted to build more henchmen. What better way to build henchmen than this guy? So to draw robette, you must start with the eyes. Remember that time they came up with this new bad guy gang known as the Baddie Bots? That's something that sounds made up. And using animal powers like gorilla, crocodile, and kangaroo? What was Romeo even thinking? Hold on a sec, guys. I need to change the soundtrack on here. That's more like it. Here's her hands. I hear that the next episode of PJ Masks will premiere next month. Can't wait to see that. Let's immortalize it, shall we? And finished. That's how you draw robette. Now that's an easy thing. Wow, looks like I've been drawing a lot of robots recently. You want to find out more on how to draw more machines like this? Well, you can go to the playlists on my site, my series, and you can check them out yourself. Anyway, that's all for now. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night. Where's that off button? There it is.